They will go through 7 to 8 sets of tires today, and the big question is the weather going to play a role in these tires? And the answer is not really, because we'll warm up to 78, and with that, the track will be at about 120 degrees in, let's say, turns 2 and 3, and they are prepared for that. Each one of the tires has a different pressure point, about 0.10 difference in each tire. So let's take a look at radar and see if rain is close to us. And really, for those of you watching us in extreme southern Indiana, we do have some rain. Big question, though, Lindsay Monroe, is that going to move up here? I can tell you these guys do not want that to happen. What say you?
Yeah, that would be kind of one of those situations that would postpone everything. So we can avoid even a sprinkle. That would be enough to do it. So we want to avoid that. And it does look like there is a good chance of that happening. We've got so much dry air over central Indiana. All of this moisture to our south essentially is just eroding as it heads closer to us here in the Indianapolis metro. So we'll continue to monitor those scattered sprinkles in southern Indiana. But we've been in pretty good shape so far, just mainly cloudy skies, a temperature that is slow to warm. We're now at 64, and over the next few hours, a nice warming trend. By the time we get into that noon hour, all those pre-race festivities begin. 72, we're up to 74 by 1 o'clock, and eventually up to 78, but keeping that sky mostly cloudy. Okay, here's the latest as far as our high-resolution future track weather model. Going to take us between now and 1 o'clock. Notice a stray sprinkle pops up around the area. I really do think, though, as we get into the afternoon, that dry air is going to win out, and that's going to be some good conditions for us today. So we'll go 78 for your race day, 84 for Memorial Day, and then temperatures that are going to eventually get back into the upper 80s, nearing 90. So good news is we do have a comfortable day. We're going to avoid that super high stretch of temperatures as we look ahead at that 7-day forecast. For now, we'll send it back to the Motor Speedway.